Hello guys, now you are with my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions. In this video we will come to know that how to set net speed monitor in Windows 11. First you have to open Microsoft App Store and then you have to search net speed monitor. There are some apps are free for Windows 11. Then open automatically and click on free. Then open it. We have got the application here. Just click for open and the net speed meter will shown on your taskbar. Then you have to setting or customize according to your internet adapter or network adapter. Okay guys, just watch the settings and like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.